Hello traders, today is December 30th. It's the last trading day of the year. It's Friday. In this video I'm going to show you the AutoPilot trading system, specifically the break-even function, how that works. I'm going to show you some examples. If you like these videos, if you find them informative, if you want to learn more on how to day trade the markets using price action, subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel and get notified by hitting that bell. Now remember, the markets are risky. A disclaimer on the risks involved with trading. If you're trading any type of financial markets, currencies, it's risky. Be very careful. Now the market's in our favor and we're up $100, and the AutoPilot got us into this trade and it placed the targets and the stops automatically. So it's doing everything for us. The one thing that I do want to show you or explain to you is that if it doesn't hit that target of 10 points, it automatically gets out at break even, and you see that dashed green line showing you where you entered and also where you exited. So it initially tries to get you in there. It's trying to get you into the market either long or short, and it tries again as the candles are being updated. And also remember, the video is sped up, so I recorded this live, but I did speed up the video because I don't want to sit here for 30 or 40 minutes and bore you guys to death. I want to show you how the break-even function works, and also how you can exit the market if need be. So you don't have to always follow the stops or the targets. If you see the market going in your favor by $100, $200, close the position, and then it'll try to get you in again. Okay, so here we have the market finally filling us based on the AutoPilot signal to go short. So this is a short trade. The target is 10 points. So I'm using a 40 tick target, 10 points on the E-mini S&P. You can trade this on the micro or the NASDAQ, and you can adjust the values for targets and stops as you see fit. You can also optimize it the way that you like. We also give you the values that I think work best. Now, if it doesn't make the 10 points, so right now it's maybe $75, $100 in our favor. If it doesn't go all the way down to the 10-point target, which is 38.2175, that stop that you see up there, 38.40, will be pushed down and will be placed right at where you entered. So if the market doesn't reach your target but goes enough of a distance where we don't want to lose money, it'll automatically do this for you. So the break-even function is really important. I think that if you think about the market going 5 points in your favor, 6, 7 points, and it hasn't hit that 10-point target or whatever target you're trying to receive, protect yourself. Get out at a break-even where you entered. Now again, if the market goes straight up, it goes against us, there's nothing we can do, and that's why the stop is there to protect us. Alright, $250 in our favor, 260. So you can see the market is definitely going in our favor. There's a nice signal on the AutoPilot, and the goal is the 10 points. Now once again, if it doesn't hit the 10-point target, you can see that it already pushed the break-even function to 38.3175. It's already protecting you. And if the market goes sideways, it'll get you out on a time-based stop or a stop based on the amount of bars that have plotted, so that's built in as well. So let's say it just goes sideways for an hour, it's going to get you out of the trade. It's going to close out the position. It's taking too long. So you can see that the target's almost hit. So we're probably 8 points into this, 9 points, $350 on one E-mini S&P on one trade, which is great. We're waiting for that target. But again, the purpose of this video is to show you that when it doesn't hit the target, you're protected. So let's say you walk away, you're on a phone call, you step out of your trading desk or your office or wherever you're trading, you walk away. You don't have to be concerned with the market going at this point against you. So if you want, close out the position. The chart trader, you can click close, or you can move your target to where the market is trading, or move the limit order. I prefer using the limit order over the stop. So move the limit order to where the market is trading to push that and force it to close, so you can lock in $300, $325 of profit target. But I think, again, really important, you will not lose any significant amount of money on this trade. The stop is placed at where you entered, 38.3175, and if it goes through it, you may lose a tick, which is $12.50 on the E-mini. Not a big deal, and you may have to pay for commission if you are trading futures. If you're trading a market that doesn't, a broker that doesn't charge you for commissions, let's say you're trading a different type of market, then you don't have to worry about commissions. But if you're trading the futures, you may have to pay a couple dollars for commission, and that I think is well worth the protection, this break even. And I think it's going to hit it here, or you can just close out the position. So that dashed green line showed you where you went short and where you closed out that short position and bought it back, break even. Okay, it got you in again. It tried to place another trade short, and now you're officially short once again. The process starts all over again. We have a stop that's placed by the system, so you're protected in case everything goes wrong and you go straight up to 38.38. If the market goes down to 38.19 or very close to that, you can go ahead and close the position. I also think that if you're $300 or $400 in profit territory, close out the position manually. There's nothing wrong with that, instead of going for a break even. So my goal at this point is to see it through. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not manually adjusting the targets or the stops. I'm letting the system, the autopilot, do its thing. So as it starts to come down, you're going to see right there it automatically moved the stop to where you entered at 38.29. Now these settings can be set at anything that you want. If you want it at 5 ticks, if you want it at 10 ticks, you can set the break-even function, how far the distance the market has to move in your favor before that kicks in. If you have any questions, if you want more information on the autopilot or any type of trading that we do, especially the accelerated mentorship class, which includes all the software, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Give us a call. Let's make sure that this is right for you. Again, Happy New Year. I'll see everyone on the other side. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.